Hey guys, I'll be showing you how to download the International Keyboard today and some tips and tricks once you have it downloaded. So let's just get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and find this time icon. This will open up settings, or like the little settings control center, and you can click the settings icon in the top hand part of the screen. Once you're there, you should be able to see a search bar on the top. Just search up languages. Scroll down and you'll be able to see an input method header. Once you see that, hit manage input methods. You'll see a bunch of different keyboards that you can click and select. You're basically just going to want to select US International Keyboard. Keep US keyboard selected, that's the default keyboard, but for this video you're going to want to hit US International Keyboard. That will give you the special accent marks you can use for your language classes. Okay, and then once you have that, you should have the keyboard installed. Okay guys, so I'm going to blank Google Doc where I'm just going to show you some international keyboard tips and tricks so you can use it while you're doing classwork and homework for your language classes. So the first thing we're going to want to do after setting it up properly in the settings is actually switch it on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you can see right now I'm using the US keyboard still. You can see that by seeing that icon. If you just hit Control Spacebar, it switches to INTL, which means international, so then you can start using the accent marks. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do some of the French accent marks. So let me just do the accent and the A, the accent and the E, and the accent and the C. Okay, now I'm just going to show you how to actually do those on the international keyboard, because it's actually kind of interesting. So the first thing is with the A, it's the back stick up here and then the A. So you have to be careful, it's kind of interesting. It doesn't really follow. You'll see a pattern, especially with the Spanish as we move on. With the international keyboard and the accent marks. Secondly, with the E, it's just the right Alt key and the E. And then lastly with the C, it's the Alt key and this arrow. So the Alt key, basically for most accent marks you're going to use the Alt key, but not for all of them. Okay, so now let's just move on to some of the Spanish accent marks. Okay, so we'll do the A, E, I, O, and the U, and we'll also do the upside down exclamation point, and we'll do the upside down question mark. Okay. And very similarly, you basically are just going to use the right Alt key for everything here. So right Alt key, and up here you're going to use the exclamation point to do the upside down one. Right Alt key question mark, right Alt key A, E, I, O, U. So for Spanish it's very straightforward. It's basically just right Alt key and whatever key you want to press. For French it's a bit different. It's going to be obviously for the A, the back stick and then the A. For the C, the Alt, and then this left arrow or comma key. And then for the E, it's just Alt and the E. And that's it. Once you have the keyboard installed and you switch it, you can basically just start using it in your assignments. And then to easily switch back, you can just hit Control Spacebar again and you're back into your English keyboard. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.